Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the app and permissions so the feature works in real time. Open Google Translate, confirm you have the latest version, and grant microphone access, otherwise nothing records. Once done, pick the source language and the language you want displayed. Make sure background noise is low and the speaker speaks clearly. This improves recognition accuracy. You're now ready to open Live Translate mode and begin capturing speech for instant translation on screen and as audio feedback. You launch Live Translate and position the phone near the speaker so the mic catches clear audio. Tap Conversation or Live Translate, then press the record or mic button. The app transcribes and translates instantly. Use the speaker icon to play the translated audio or plug in headphones for privacy. If the other person switches language, tap the language selector to change it on the fly. This maintains flow and keeps interruptions minimal. Because the app handles recognition, transcription, and speech synthesis, you finish by tapping stop or back to end the live session and save any transcript if you want a record. If translations lag or fail, make sure you're online or switch to offline packs for the languages. Closing heavy apps frees CPU and reduces lag. If accuracy is poor, reposition the microphone within 1 meter, reduce background noise, and ask speakers to slow their pace slightly. This fixes most issues quickly. If not, restart the app and retry the session to reset recognition models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.